Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Riku from Japan. This channel is all about the Go, which is an exciting and easy to start board game. I usually introduce Go rules and the strategies in this channel, but today I would like to talk about something different: artificial intelligence. You may have known AI has already been used in many industries such as web search, machine translations, or image recognition. So what's the history of Go and AI? Let's see.
Before going to talk about the relationship between Go and AI, let me briefly explain what artificial intelligence is. In some movies, AI is destroying the human world and some people believe in that. However, AI is not that smart enough yet. Simply saying, AI for now is a machine which specializes a part of human behavior and artificially reenacts it. For example, a type of AI technology is used for self-driving vehicles. AI controls vehicles and makes decisions depending on the situation around it instead of humans. The technology has not been completed yet, but it is a matter of time, people say. Other types of AI technology which are already in common in our life would be web search, machine translations, and so on. It might take at least a century to reach the world where a machine can do a variety of things as humans. Now you must be questioning why I'm talking about this on Go channel. Actually, Go contributed a lot to the development of an AI technology, deep learning. So, let me briefly introduce the history of Go and artificial intelligence. Humans were defeated by AI in chess in 1997 and in shogi in 2013. However, even at that time, almost all the professional Go players were believing that the time AI won in Go would not come, because Go is far more complicated than other board games. As you know, a Go board is much bigger than other board games ones, and it has less limitation of placement. In fact, it is said that Go is 10 to the power of the 100th more complex than chess. These were the reasons why people believed it is impossible for AI to exceed human ability in Go. However, in 2016, only 3 years after chess, World Go champion Lee Settle was completely defeated by an AI, AlphaGo. He even retired from the professional world after that. How was that possible? A great reason for this rapid growth of Go AI was that Google was involved in the development. At that time, the world's strongest IT companies such as Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Apple were making massive investments in AI-related projects, anticipating AI as a major technology of the future. Then, Google bought a British venture, DeepMind, which was developing an AI to capture computer games for $400 million. With this company, Google started creating a Go AI. The same method used in chess and shogi AI didn't work for Go, so they developed deep reinforcement learning AI, which is literally a combination of deep learning and reinforcement learning technology. There are mainly 3 different types of AI used in AlphaGo, and the collaboration enables to derive the best move. The first one is searching AI. It calculates the best move with the highest statistical probability of winning in a given situation. A weak point of searching AI is that it can be useful only in the ending phase of a game where effective plays are limited. So that is what the other 2 AI is for. One is the situation valuation AI. It judges if it is an advantageous or disadvantageous situation. Then, the last AI is strategy prediction AI, and it determines if it will be advantageous or disadvantageous by predicting next moves. Combination of these two AI increases the probability of winning. After all, AlphaGo is able to find the very best move with a combination of 3 different types of AI. That the AI which defeated the world's Go champion in 2016 with 4 wins and 1 loss. However, that wasn't the end of the battle between AI and humans. Only after a half year of this, a person named Master suddenly appeared in an online Go platform and accomplished 60 wins in 60 games with top pro players. After that, it was revealed that this Master was the prototype of new AlphaGo. Then, after that, an official match between AlphaGo and the world champion KG was held. As expected, AlphaGo achieved 3 victories in 3 games. Once again, it was proven that AI exceeded humans in Go, and that surprised the world. It was reported that KG ran into the bathroom and bursted into tears after the game. Later on, he told in an interview that it was painful to play with AlphaGo because he couldn't find any hope of winning. However, the evolution of AlphaGo didn't end here even after defeating 2 world champions. In 2017, DeepMind announced a new version, AlphaGo Zero, which had already achieved 100 victories in 100 games with AlphaGo. The biggest difference between AlphaGo and AlphaGo Zero is that it learns itself. Before AlphaGo Zero, AI was learning based on the games which were played in the past by humans. This means the AI was just a better version of the human brain. However, AlphaGo Zero is only taught rules of Go initially and grows up by experiencing matches with another AI against each other. This allows AlphaGo Zero to grow uniquely, differing from human ideas. That was the history of the evolution of Go AI. I think now you have no disagreement that AI has surpassed human intelligence in the field of board games. Though battles between Go AI and humans are over like this, the technologies developed in the process have been applied and used in different industries.
I'll be glad if you enjoyed today's topic. Humans were beaten by Go AI much earlier than expected, so the evolution of AI may accelerate more and more in the future. What do you think? In the next video, I'll be back to Go strategies. So far, we were learning on the 9x9 board, but from the next video, we will move on to the official 19x19 board. Look forward to it. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. See you in my next video.